Meet Belush. She's skipping through a super colorful, prehistoric jungle when suddenly she spots the cutest little dinosaur. The little dino loved flowers, but oh no, a big sneeze was coming. ACHOO, colorful leaves burst out. The dinosaur looked a bit shy, about to sneeze again, but Belush had a super fun idea. With a gentle tickle from her fluffy feather, the dino's eyes widened, and it let out a happy CHOO. Belush clapped and giggled as they played together, surrounded by a magical cloud of star-shaped bubbles.